startup. I'm going to talk about mental strength, which is required for doing any kind of work. And you can relate it very nicely with the startup, because with my business acumen, I have nurtured this mental strength. So I can now, at this age, where can surely let you know that these are the short tips to relate it with startup. But first, understanding mental strength. What is mental strength is a very important question. You know, हर कोई बोलता है mental strength क्या होता है? To be rude, to be, I can call it as insensitive towards the emotion is mental strength. What is mental strength? Is very important to know, because whatever I have understood that everything that today I do, or today I was not able to do once in my life in the past, and today I'm able to do, is all because of my mental strength. So first and foremost, it is very important to know, guys, what is mental strength. Okay, we all know what is physical strength. We all know what is physical strength. How do we gain physical strength? Where do we go to gain physical strength? Can I have answer in the chat, or you can raise your hand? I am a host today. I was sharing with Rosina, since I am, it's from my Zoom meeting account, so I'm a host today. So I'll do the dual purpose of even technically taking care to some extent along with Rosina, and be a speaker of the day. So when we say about physical strength, you know, physical strength, where do we go to build our physical strength? How do we build our physical strength? Can I get some answer in the Zoom? Able to do work. Okay. Where do we go to build physical strength? By going to gym. All right, perfect. Yes, that's the only way to build exercise, yoga. Okay. Tell me. Okay. So regarding this, I think we are on the good food. Yes, good food. Lovely. Tell me now, all those who go to the gym are able to build their physical strength? All those who do exercises and yoga are able to build up their physical strength? No. All right. Someone who goes to the gym daily, 3 hours, 4 hours every day in the gym, but somehow food plus exercise, Neerav Patel. All right. It's so wonderful. I had a gym. I used to go to a gym. I had taken a membership of one of the gym, and there was a nice cake shop just below the gym. So what I used to do? I used to really work out for a week, lose some kgs, build up muscle mass. But after a week, I really got I used to get tempted to eat. What do we get in a cake shop? A small pastry. और अपने आप को कैसे बहलाते थे? अरे छोटा सा पीस खा रही हूँ, पूरा पेस्ट्री खा भी नहीं रही हूँ. Just one small piece I'm taking of that pastry, and remaining I'm giving it to my friends. I'm not eating, or giving to the beggar outside. I'm not eating. But that small amount of food, that small pastry, did help me or will not, or did not help me? Yes or no? That small pastry, that small, and I used to work out a lot, but that small pastry, iske samne itna. No, Kush Patel says no. Come on Kush, thoda to motivate karo yaar. इतनी सी पेस्ट्री खाई थी, बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं खाती थी. Started with 3 days, once in 3 days, then once in 4 days, then once in 7 days. Healthy food. 190170109095 tells me healthy food. Yes, that small temptation. So what am I trying to tell? The small temptation. Is this a good habit or a bad habit? And what about this? Is this a good habit or a bad habit? थोड़ा तो चलता है. Yes, Meet Patel. मैं भी यही सोचती हूँ. थोड़ा तो चलता है. So this, going to the gym, doing so much workout, is a good habit or a bad habit? Is a good habit or a bad habit? Good or good? Nice. Meet, Kush, Joshi Jai Kumar, yes, KB Vegard, good. And this, itni choti, itne se, itne se, itne se, itni, this and this, eating a small pastry. Is this a good habit or a bad habit? This. We create balance, then it must and good, okay? But I want to be really very successful in with physical strength. I want to have very good abs. I want my physical strength to be very good. And I have just started building that. So, where is the balance here? What is the balance? So, is this a good or a bad? For real workout, avoid everything. Everything means I'm just asking this question, Yogesh. Is this small for the workout good or bad? That pastry that I used to consume. My physical trainer used to shout at me, tell me, I used to tell मैं सब कुछ अच्छा कर रही हूँ. And when I told एक छोटी सी pastry कभी खा लेती हूँ, I got a big scolding from him. And I was like crying. I said, मैंने गलत क्या किया? I was not knowing. Bad, because it contains calories. And I was burning and I was giving and I was burning and I was giving. So I used to be, was I mentally strong? I wanted to be physically strong. But I forgot that to be physically strong, I need to be first mentally strong. First have to give away everything, avoid everything which builds up, which is an obstacle in building up my physical strength. That small pastry was an obstacle. On my birthday, if I eat without having this objective of building the physical strength, and I say, okay, I'm eating today, but then I have to 4 times, next 4 days manage to burn this. So most important is I realize that my physical strength, which may be related with the content that you are learning, is important. But that content will only be useful. The results that you get in your education will only be useful. All the ideas that you incorporate with respect to startups, all the fundings that you do, all the strategies that you design with respect to startup, all depends on finally on your mental strength. Am I right? The moment I stop the resistance, temptation, so I am as good as my good habit or I am as good as my bad habit. Tell me one thing. My statement is, am I as good as my good habit or am I as good as my bad habit? Am I? मेरी सक्सेस किस पे डिपेंड करती है? मेरी सक्सेस, good is my success, depends on my good habit or it depends upon my bad habit? The kind of bad habits do I have? As good habit? Both good habits. I'm as good as my good habits. I'm going to gym and I'm eating cake, calories, fried, French fries, burgers. So, am I good if I go to a gym? Better not go to a gym. Then I'll go on adding. I'm as good as my bad habit. That's very important to understand. Write this statement and then we'll understand this statement. I am as good as my bad habit. मैं उतनी मेरी bad habit मुझे ज़्यादा रोकेगी for doing anything compared to my good habit. Because my success will depend on my bad habits. My going to the gym every day is good. I'm doing that. I'm setting up a business. It's good. But the success of my business will depend on the kind of habits I have. Okay, the less the good habit, I mean, the less the bad habit, better would be my success, and no bad habits, my success graph will go zoom up. Are you getting me? So who is defining? My bad habits are defining me. They are the one who are trying to rationalize. They are the temptations. कुछ थोड़ा सा कर लूं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You know, that थोड़ा सा में बिजनेस में बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. कोई भी स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करने में बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हियर. आई विल बी जस्ट इन द माय gallery view and I'll try to see. Most of you are without your video. Can you just switch on your video? I mean, can you just start your video? और I will say just जो वीडियो अपना स्टार्ट करेगा और जिसका सबसे अच्छा मुझे वीडियो का लुक आएगा, I will invite them to my Boho homes and will discuss their startup plans with them, and I'll see that you get a nice venture capitalist for your startup. So tell me now, how many of you are ready with your videos? How many of you are dressed well? Yes, Meet is wearing a mask. Meet, my air droplets are not going to come to you. Okay, how many of you actually ensured that which color t-shirt should I wear when I'm joining a webinar? See, only 4 could actually slowly, gradually come up to start the videos. Otherwise, remaining are still, I mean, या तो कोई सो रहा होगा या कोई बैठा होगा किधर है या. How many of you actually made it a point that let me dress up in a nice color? Okay, how many of you have sprayed a nice deodorant or nice perfume to join the webinar? No, Meet is smiling. Vicky is still trying to do his hair, set his hairs. And still Yogesh is trying to see कि मेरी cap बराबर है कि नहीं है. How many of you actually ensured that all of a sudden, if I have to present myself even on the screen, because the future is going to be online, and how am I looking well presentable? It's important, na? So these are all our mind में set था. यार webinar ही तो है. Screen off कर दूंगा तो चल जाएगा. लेटा हुआ तो चल जाएगा. I can see 190170109095. Not even change the name abhi. Okay, with the picture. And if I want to say something to him, what do I say? 10901? 1901? Redmi? Are you getting my point? छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. Today I'm going to talk to you about very simple things which leads to mental strength and which leads to success. Very simple things. We actually ignore these small things, and the person who takes care of these small things, actually these small things leads to success. A small pastry can lead to zoom, and similarly if you remove that out of the picture, you can lead to success. Similarly, our small habits and our small mind में जो set है, उसको अगर हम निकाल दे और हम full time एक ऐसे mode में रहे कि opportunity can come anytime. I am ready. I'm ready in my physical appearance, and I'm ready with my mental strength. So black and white. Kush Patel wrote black and white. Black and white means what, Kush? All right, we'll share this later on. All right, so I'm just sharing a screen and I'm asking another question to you. Okay. Can you see this share screen? Rosina? Is this screen seen by all? Hello, Rosina?
Yes,
all right, good.
yes, ma'am.
You can see the screen? All right, good.
Yes,
so in the screen, there are 2 options mentioned, which I have made a red box. One is called permanent address and other is called present address. I will be coming to your address, to your house, to your residential area, and I need to know, it's okay na if I come, guys and girls, all, both, male, female. All genders. I'm inviting you to go home. So I would see कि afterwards you can always come to, I can come to your house. So I would like to know your permanent address. You can write in the chat, or you can, Rosina ma'am can unmute you who wants to answer. What is your permanent address when you write? For example, this is one of the example I've taken from Google with respect to biodata, and this person has written a permanent address, and this was written as a present address as well. He's an assistant professor in some department of BA. So if you're asked, can anyone type what is your permanent address? Or can speak. Rosina, you can actually unmute. Raise hand. 9734805 has raised hand. Okay. I will unmute. I have asked to unmute. You can unmute. Yes, those who have raised hand, you can unmute. I've given you an option to unmute. You can start your video also. Okay, we'll start video later. Okay, but you can unmute.
Anyone can unmute if they want to speak, because this is an interactive session. So
it has to be interactive, otherwise मैं screen छोड़ के
whoever
चली
wants to
जाऊंगी.
give answer. Yes.
Because see, even I should enjoy.
Students, please give answer. You can unmute. Yes.
See, no answer is right or wrong.
Definitely, you are right.
So, Mr. BM Bambania is unmute. You can unmute yourself. If you're not able to, let me know. Yes, I'm waiting. I have a lot of patience. All right, I've got one address. Dilipka, you can always, not necessarily has to give me correct address, okay? But yes, okay. DR Dobaria ji, Dilip has given this address. All right. Okay. Permanent current address is given. All right. Perfect. So you will be giving you some of your addresses, right? And this is what the address is mentioned, your permanent address and present address. All right. Second question. My second question is, do you want to live in a bigger place? The address which is given to you, इससे बड़ी जगह आपको चाहिए क्या रहने के लिए? Who will want to have a bigger space? If someone is willing to give you a bigger space or ready to exchange with a bigger space, apart from A503 Sharan Residency, the entire Sharan Residency is given to you to live. Would you accept it? Who would like to have a bigger space? No? Okay. Who would like to have a bigger space? Happy in their own space. Come on. कोई भी बिजनेस पर्सन अपनी जो प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन है उसमें हैप्पी हो गया तो कभी लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता. आपके पास जो घर है उससे बड़ा घर चाहिए आपको, कोई आपको देने को तैयार हो, या आप खुद मेहनत से कमाना चाहोगे? यस. किसी ने कोई आपको देने को तैयार हो, या आप खुद मेहनत करके कमाना चाहोगे? यू वांट टू हैव अ बिगर परमानेंट एड्रेस. यस. Yes, by our own. Lovely. Yes, very nice. Yes. Okay. Who is stopping you from this? पहले कमा तो लूं, फिर मैं खरीद लूंगा बड़ी जगह. Am I right? And I tell you one thing. Can I tell you one thing? We all live in the same permanent address. हम सबका permanent address same है. आपका भी सेम है, रोजिना मैम का भी सेम है, करमता खिमजी का भी सेम परमानेंट एड्रेस है, जोशी, हीत मेहता, योगेश सिंह, we don't have same, we all have same permanent address, you know that? हम सबका, and वो परमानेंट एड्रेस इतना विशाल है, इतना बड़ा है, इसमें कोई स्क्वायर फीट एरिया की स्पेस ही नहीं है. There is, it is unlimited space. India, okay, India is our permanent address. और ये इतनी बड़ी जगह में हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ कितने सारे चाहिए अगर बड़ा परमानेंट एड्रेस लो. और ये we are all living in the same permanent address. आज if you ask me, Dr. Gitika Saluja, what is a permanent address, then my permanent address is this. It's in my mind. I live in my mind. Am I right? All of us live in our mind. हमारी खुद के दिमाग में हम रहते हैं. अगर सबका permanent address, the moment you say I live in my mind, and mind has no limitation, it has unlimited potential with respect to square feet area, and here you don't need housekeeping staff to clear your mind. जिसका दिमाग जितना clear उतना better उसका execution, and the success lies not in planning but the execution of the planning. So everything here, this is where I live. I don't live in the brick houses. I don't live in the cottage, chateaus, villas, multi-stories building. I live in my mind, and it has got unlimited potential. I don't need any housekeeping stuff. I need me. The moment I clear my mind, I have a better understanding of the entire plan which I'm going to do, of my whole life. The vision of my life and the vision of my startup will align together. The moment the vision of my life and vision of my startup is aligned, I will get success. But first is I want to have a very strong mental strength, my mind. Mind is not brain. Again, a person who is suffering from brain disease maybe is actually not mentally weak. Not necessarily has to be mentally weak. A person who is having some kind of mental, you can call it as handicap or different kind of ability, is not weak. All right, so mental strength को समझना एक बहुत important बात है कि आज मैं बोलूं कि मैं mentally strong हूं या मैं mentally weak हूं, तो वो भी बात सही नहीं. I cannot tell myself that I am mentally strong all the time. I may be weak in certain times, but I need to know when I am weak, and I need to reduce my weakness. So my entire strength will depend upon how many times I am mentally weak. That's my bad habit. My success will depend upon, I might be mentally strong most of the time, but हो सकता है कि मेरा जो mental weakness might come out at the time when I'm going to sign a very important document. उस वक्त मुझे पता नहीं कुछ छोटी सी बात पे गुस्सा आ गया और ये मेरा document signing चला गया. So I'm not defined by the things which led me to design the document, but I'm more decided by the things that led me to this small, which made me angry. So people will remember my anger, but will not remember my entire process of coming to the point of signing the document. मेरे anger में सब खत्म हो गया. So what I mentioned to you, you are as your good habits define you, your bad habits define you. It's our bad habit which defines us, which defines those moments. So we need to ensure that we are mentally weak, that moments becomes less, and then we are able to ensure that जब ऐसा कोई time आए, वाइवा का time आए, तब मेरा दिमाग ना सटके. सर कैसा भी question पूछे, I have to be cool and calm because I don't know why, the objective behind asking that question. So did you get this point? Yes or no? Do you get this point? What I did right? So your first typing is what? You're good. I'll just mention a very nice statement. You can write this statement. I want you to type this statement and send it to your friends. Your good habits are important. How many of you have got mobile? Can I see the mobile? Because now I'm in a gallery view. Okay. How many of you if you're on your mobile, find a friend today who is not there in this webinar. Find a friend who is not there in the webinar and try to help the friend. You know, it is called teaching is learning. The moment you teach, you remember. All right. So find a friend and start sending a chat to him, saying him or her, कि मैं ये सीख रहा हूँ मैं. So first statement is what? Good habits are important. Good habits are important. but it is more important to know our bad habits. It's more important to know our bad habits that prevent us from reaching our full potential. You are as good as your bad habit. So those who mentioned in the chat that you are as good as your good habit. And I'm trying to define you as you're as good as your bad habit. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, गुस्सा आ रहा होता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, लोग वो याद रखते हैं, पर आपने कितना अच्छा किया वो लोग भूल जाते हैं. सो याद क्या रहा लोगों को? आपका गुस्सा, आपका फ्रस्ट्रेशन, आपका आउटबर्स्ट. पर आपने जितना अच्छा किया उसको गुस्सा उस वक्त ये लगता है ना कि यार मैंने इतना अच्छा किया, वो तो किसी को याद नहीं रहा. सो यू आर एज गुड एज योर bad habit. You need to understand that. Okay. So next thing. So this is what is the statement. You are as good as your bad habit. Okay. The first up here, I'm giving you now. We are going to the this thing. I'll just stop share for some time. All right. Now we are going to go further. I'm going to give you 6 tips today. 6 tips, all right, to develop mental strength as per the time which we have. Now the question is, ये tips हैं, surety नहीं है. It comes with a disclaimer. Disclaimer क्या है? आप जब भी कोई जिम में जाते हो, मुझे ये बताओ, तो जिम वाला बोलेगा 3 महीना आओ, फिट हो जाओ, फिर छोड़ के चले जाओ, चलेगा? Tell me now. Yes or no? If the gym person says, come to me for 3 months, I'll make you very fit, then you can leave the gym. It's okay. No. I'm getting more of boys here telling me, girls do also go to the gym. No, no, no. वो क्या बोलेंगे? भले तुम मेरे जिम में मत आओ, but every day थोड़ा तो 45 minutes in the morning, walking, brisk walking, fast walking करना जरूरी है. वो तो आप maintain करो, and at least do it 5 times in a week. Start. That is what they'll tell. If you don't come to my gym, fine. But at least 5 times in a week, do minimum 45 minutes of brisk walking. You will not, at least you will be able to maintain something, not exactly this. थोड़ा रिवर्स जाओगे, बट उसको रिवर्स थोड़ा जाके मेंटेन करोगे. Am I right? So that is what even physical gym और mental gym भी ये कहता है कि एक बार आप सोच लो कि मैं mentally strong हो गया. That doesn't mean no. You have to practice that habits, okay, on the daily basis. You have to have a mirror in front of you on the daily basis. You need to reflect on your behavior, on your mental strength chart on the daily basis, and then stitching time saves 9 was देखा था ना. The moment we feel कि no, I'm going down on my mental barometer, you need to again read something nice and talk to someone who is a positive person and then raise your mental barometer. So that mental strength के लिए आपको continuous gymming, mental gym में जाना पड़ेगा. But ये mental gym एक चीज से अच्छा है. For the physical gym, you need to go to the physical gym. This mental gym, you are carrying it along with you all the time. आप हर बार वो mental gym अपने साथ carry करते हो. और आपको every moment कभी भी 24 hours में कभी भी you can practice that mental gym. For just 4-5 minutes, if you want to meditate or you want to remember something nice in your life, or prepare a jar and put something nice in it कि भाई चलो आज मैंने ये चीज अच्छी रखी अंदर, आज मेरे साथ अच्छा हुआ तो एक अच्छी मेमोरी मैंने उसमें शेयर की. These are all things. So first tip to have a simple, ऐसी लाइफ में सक्सेस के लिए बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स चीजें नहीं चाहिए होती है. Life is very simple. Success is also very simple. It all depends upon very simple habits that we follow. Simple habits. So first habit is never lose self-control. I am mentioning it in the chat. You can also send it to your friend. never lose self control. Tell to the friend who will tell you तुझे जा जा, तू तो कितनी बार अपना self control lose कर देता है, मुझे क्यों सिखा रहा है never lose self control. Send it to a friend, okay, who will remind you that whenever you lose self control, वो आगे बोलेगा देख तूने lose किया, क्या बात कर रहा था, never lose self control. So let's have a checklist. I'll share the screen again. I'll share the screen again, which talks about, all right, I'm sorry. How to check when are you losing self-control, all right? There's a small checklist. This is the checklist. All of you can see this checklist? Some of you can just say yes, because I'm not now checking the chat. Yes. Rosina, can you see the whole checklist? All right. The first checklist.
Yes.
Perfect. The first checklist talks about you have changed your goals of your life. There is yes and no. You have to just say yes and no. Either एक paper pen पे yes no कर दो कुछ भी कि yes I have changed goals in my life depending on what other people have told me what I should be doing in my life. If my father said okay fine you have to get into engineering, yes I have been into engineering though I wanted to become a whatever XYZ photographer or a doctor or whatever it is. Okay, the type of the day depends on how others people behave. अरे मैं तो बहुत मस्त मूड में उठा था, लेकिन हुआ क्या? मैं तो बहुत अच्छे मूड में उठा था, लेकिन जैसे ही मैं घर से बाहर निकला, सामने अंकल चिल्लाए या मेरे पापा मेरे पे चिल्लाए, एंड जैसे ही मेरे पापा मेरे पे चिल्लाए, मेरा मूड खराब हो गया. एंड इस वजह से जब मैं कॉलेज पहुंचा, तो सामने जो पहला फ्रेंड दिखा उसके ऊपर मेरा आउटबर्स्ट हो गया. Or I went to present my father shouted at me, he doesn't want me to become a businessman, and I'm going to present my proposal to a person, and my proposal by meeting did not go well because I started my day in a very different way. My day did not started the way I was expecting. Or not only the day, जिसके साथ मैं प्रपोज कर रहा हूं, मेरा प्रपोजल जिसके साथ मैं शेयर कर रहा हूं, उसका मूड ठीक नहीं था, उसका मूड ठीक नहीं था. हुआ क्या? पर आपका तो काम बिगड़ा ना. You have lost your self control. आपके हाथ में था, अगर उसका मूड ठीक नहीं था तो उसका मूड पैक अप करूं, आपके हाथ में था, बिकॉज फाइनली आपका प्रपोजल है जो आपको शेयर करना है. थर्ड पॉइंट, other people make you feel angry, you end up saying things you regret later on. बाद में अफसोस होता है. ऐसा कितनी बार होता है? yes या no? You work hard because you want others to see you in positive life, because much of your self-worth depends on what others think of you. दूसरे लोग मुझे कैसे परसीव करते हैं वो मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. दूसरे लोग सोचते हैं कि मैं yesterday it was my birthday and I got unlimited messages talking about XYZ, people talking about XYZ things about me, and then I realized, am I the person who how others perceive me? They are writing beautiful messages, of course, because they want to make me feel special. In that, I need to check it out. What is good for me? What I need to develop? What is the expectations of the people from me? And I started wondering, Gitika, you are living your life. You are not living their life. You are living your life. You complain, the fifth point, you complain often of all the things that you have to do in life because others want you to do that. Are you getting my point? The moment you have more of yes or more of no, you can automatically decide your level of self-control, how that you want to have in your life, how much self-control you want to have in your life. Because any successful businessman that you see in today or in the past, and you're going to be the future, it all depends upon how strong they are mentally and how strong they are in controlling their own emotions. They don't cry so often in front of people or don't use their anger. Okay, so mentally strong people they will use foul language. See, I'm sorry, if someone is using as a good businessman and still using foul language, the success is not going to be all the time with him. Somewhere कुछ तो कुछ होगा कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ problems आएगी life में. That is not the success. The bank balance is not the success. Again, we'll have a different definition of success some another time. But important is that it is very, एक बार ज़बान से, the tongue is the most devil weapon. अगर आपने कुछ बोल दिया, आप वापस ले नहीं सकते वो शब्दों को. They are like missiles. So for that purpose, you need to have your self-control. You might make friends foes. You might make friends enemies just because of your lack of self-control. So that's very important. Another thing is arguments and discussion. Never get into arguments. Get into discussion. कभी भी किसी के साथ. Especially when I'm talking about ये self-control की जब मैं बात करती हूँ, तो I talk about digital, social media. Social media. आज मैं बोल रही हूँ कि if I want to hire Joshi Kumar, Jai Kumar, Ramji in my organization, just an example I'm saying. He has sent a biodata to me. That's okay. But I will try to do a history check of Joshi Kumar, Jai Kumar, Ramji. Joshi, Jai Kumar, Ramji. I would like to do a history check. My best way of history check is Google. I will enter Joshi, Jai Kumar, Ramji. And the moment there are a lot of things which will come, his accounts, his LinkedIn profile, his Facebook profiles, the research papers, the research articles, in that also his likes, his dislikes, puri digital Janma Pantri bar aa jayegi. And I would come to know, okay, what is his mindset, what is his thought process, because I'm not hiring an employee. I am hiring this person in my culture, or I'm trying to partner with someone. That I'm not just doing partnership, but I'm doing partnership with a person, with an individual, not only with his ideas. And if the person is into a mindset of getting argument into every small things, it doesn't go well with me. I appreciate discussions, because arguments always try to find who is wrong, while discussion always try to see what is wrong. That's important. गलत हम क्या बोलते हैं कि generally मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता था. I used to have with someone of my very senior relative whom I respect a lot, and I used to always tell, ये देखो कि मैं बोल क्या रही हूँ, ये मत देखो कि मैं कैसे बोल रही हूँ. Then I realized मेरा कैसे बोलना is more important than मेरा क्या बोलना. So I have to first work on my कैसे बोलना. मैं कैसे बोल रही हूँ. The moment I started working on my कैसे बोल रही हूँ, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, उस पे अपने आप लोगों का ध्यान गया, and people started now paying attention to what I am talking. So you need to have that self-control on yourself so that you don't get tempted, just like that small pastry. You don't get tempted to get anxious, to get frustrated, to get angry, but you focus on the what. And instead of focusing on who, you are wrong, maybe your idea is wrong. Or my thought doesn't match with your thought. That doesn't mean you are wrong. All right. So social media, we never get into such kind of arguments because we don't know the background of the people. You never know, कल उठ के वो लिफ्ट में बैठा, वही अपने जॉब के लिए सामने अपने को इंटरव्यू कर रहा है, या वही पार्टनर बन जाएगा लाइफ में, या वही वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट बन जाएगा हमारे स्टार्टअप में. So focus on that. Second, how many of you, this is the second thing, कितना को ये सिंड्रोम्स है, पुअर मी, बेचारा, मिस मेरे बेचारे पे दया करो, कितना जान खाओगे क्या बच्चे की, एग्जाम्स आ रही है, अभी तो मजे है तुम्हारे, बट इतनी सारी पढ़ाई, ऊपर से ये भी इतने सारे आइडियाज, अभी ये भी वो भी, जान खाओगे क्या बच्चे की. पुअर मी, many of us. No, never get into poor me syndrome. Successful, mentally strong people कभी बेचारा अपने आप को नहीं समझता. बेचारा mindset में होते हो आप. You can be poor with respect to your financial status. You can be poor with respect to your brick houses. You can be poor with respect to your clothes that you wear, or the watches that you wear might not be of the best brand, but your mental strength, through that you have to be rich. You can never be बेचारा through that. So that poor me syndrome, stay away from it. I deserve a better syndrome. मुझे तो अच्छा ही मिलना चाहिए. इतनी मेहनत की है. Why should I get it? मुझे तो मिलना ही चाहिए. I deserve better syndrome. उस बात पे भी थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Not necessary every time you deserve best. And I'm not good enough. वो तो वो बहुत ही कॉमन है। आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ सिंड्रोम, मुझे क्यों मिलेगा, मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है। कोई बोलता है ना वाओ अच्छा ठीक है यार वो तो ऐसे ही मिल गया, इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आया, अरे यार बस इस बार ऐसे ही आ गया, अरे तो यू गॉट अ नाइस फंडिंग फॉर योर स्टार्टअप फ्रॉम एसएसआईपी, अरे यार बस यूं ही हो गया, क्या बस यूं ही हो गया, ऐसे थोड़ी कुछ मिलता है। So that is also you need to be, so this is the second tip, avoid self-pity mode. So first is never lose self-control, second is avoid self-pity mode. Third tip, never forget to express gratitude. Thank you, dhanyavad, shukriya. My son is also of the same age of yours. He's studying in Netherlands, and I was wondering he understands Hindi, but मतलब खैर पढ़ तो अभी रहा है, लेकिन हिंदी में इसको पहले से बड़ा शौक नहीं था. He's very good with English. But the moment someone, even the watchman opens the gate for him, and he will say shukriya, and I was like, wow. So the question is, if someone, and I felt like good, he's expressing thank you. छोटा सा किसी ने काम किया है तो राइट फ्रॉम द गेट वॉचमैन टू चेयरमैन ही इज एक्सप्रेसिंग थैंक यू, ग्रैटिट्यूड. बिकॉज एक चीज याद रखो, छोटी सी बात आपको लगी, आपने उसके लिए थैंक यू बोला, लोग आपके लिए ज्यादा करेंगे, बट वो छोटी सी बात को भी आपने नोटिस नहीं की. Tomorrow if you have your own business and you've employed someone, and that employee has done a small nice work and is expecting a thank you and you have not noticed it. Tell me one thing, when you walk in the college and you say good morning to your professors, and if professors return your good morning with your name like good morning Nirav, or good morning Vikas Yadav, or good morning Yogesh Singh, or good morning Sita Agarwal, or good morning Grishma Pipalia, would you like it or not? I'm sure this is a yes answer. I'm sure. The moment people know our name, but when they will know our name, when you have exchanged something with them, some conversation. Am I right? There are 3-4 people who are active. I'll remember them. Okay. Or so that's important, that you have to express gratitude all the time. That takes to a very, and वो स्टोरी आपने सुनी थी ना कि एक फैक्ट्री में आग लग गई, एक फैक्ट्री में आग लग गई, सबको बचा लिया गया, एक सारे बाहर आ गए, but one watchman who was saving everyone was still running back to in the factory वो आग में. बोले क्यों, क्या हुआ? बोलते हैं एक बॉस है हमारा, डायरेक्टर है, he has not left the factory, he should be in the factory अभी. बोले नहीं नहीं नहीं, he has left. बोले no, he has not left. बोले how can you be so sure that director has not left the factory? बोले उसकी आदत है, whenever he leaves the factory he always tells me have a nice time, have a nice evening. मेरे से 1 मिनट बात करते हैं, आज उन्होंने बात की नहीं. So he has entered the factory, so he has not left. Are you getting my point? उस छोटे वॉचमैन को, वो डायरेक्टर को बचाने की भागा अंदर अपनी जान को रखे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो उसको उससे इतना प्यार था कि बाकी कोई उसको पूछे ना पूछे, वो जरूर उसको रोज सुबह शाम पूछते थे. The moment he enters, he used to talk with him. The moment he left, he used to talk with him. So that watchman was the person who saved the life of the director. Not because he was a director of the company, because he used to ensure that he talks with that person every day in the morning while entering and every day while leaving. So that's very important aspect. Never forget to express gratitude. Fourth point. This actually I have really lived in my past for a good amount of time, and this I have learned from my own experiences, that this is very important, not to live in the past. To be successful, the moment you lose past को पीछे छोड़ दोगे, उसको एक हिस्ट्री समझ के, उसमें से हिस्ट्री लेसन समझ के सिर्फ उसमें से सीखोगे, and विजन आगे. हम जब ड्राइव करते तो हम क्या करते? टेल मी नाउ. व्हेन वी आर ड्राइविंग व्हाट डू वी डू? Where do we look? We look in the rear view mirror जो ऊपर है, or we look सामने. Can I have those answers? Because of my sharing string, I am not able to see the chat. Let me check. हाँ. All right. Can someone just okay, yes, now I can see the chat. Front, okay. Do we look at the front when we are driving, or we look at the rear view mirror? I got answers as front. How many drive looking at the rear view mirror? हम तो वो टू व्हीलर में से साइड के भी मिरर्स निकाल लेते हैं कि हम पीछे ना देखें. How many of us drive looking at the
मैम इन अहमदाबाद तो हर जगह पे देखना पड़ता है.
True, exactly. But this is a very nice story, Rosina. One of my exporter, he is from England. So he and one of my Englishman, French and us, we were all sitting together. So the Frenchman said that, where do you drive, on which side of the road? They said we drive on the right side of the road. The Englishman said we drive on the left side of the road. And they asked, Gitika, in India, where do you drive? The moment I could answer, the Englishman who has been to Ahmedabad almost twice a year says, you drive everywhere, wherever you find space in Ahmedabad. So that's how it is. Okay, we look back, we have chance of getting crashed. That is what Yogesh Singh says. Rear view mirror mein dekhenge. Yes, if you look at the, but this is such a wonderful exercise that we do on the daily basis. My husband used to shout at me, look at the rear view mirror while driving. सिर्फ आगे मत देख. रियर व्यू मिरर लगाया है ड्राइविंग के लिए, ड्राइविंग के वक्त उसके पीछे एक रीजन है. Am I right? वरना कार में रियर व्यू मिरर क्यों लगाते? ऊपर जो वो लगाते ही क्यों? हम जैसे ही कार में बैठते हैं ना चलाने के लिए, तो हम पहले एडजस्ट करते हो रियर व्यू मिरर. Just keeping an eye is enough. Yes, and you need to be conscious कौन पीछे से आ रहा है ताकि आपको साइड से टकरा के ना जाए. So that is what is the checklist of the past. Keep an eye at the past, but don't live in the past. Don't drive watching the past, but just don't drive only watching the future. Don't just drive only seeing the front. Keep an eye. Very nicely said, Yogesh Singh. Right, ma'am? Because when you are overtaking, you must have to see at rear also. कौन? क्योंकि आपके पीछे जो आ रहा है, बिजनेस में कई बार ऐसा होता है हम सिर्फ आगे ही देखते हैं, हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि कोई हमारे कॉम्पिटिटर हमारे साथ भी धीरे धीरे पीछे आ रहा है, किसी के आइडियाज हमारे जैसे हैं और वो फटाफट आपको ओवरटेक करके चला जाएगा और आपने तो उसको देखा ही नहीं है और उसका आइडिया पहले सबमिट हो गया एंड ही गॉट रिजल्ट्स, he got better, you can say funding fast, and both of you were working on the same idea. So that is what is the checklist. Fourth point is never live in the past, but keep an eye on the past. So how many of you, so there's a small checklist I've mentioned here. You can always see it later on. If you want, I can share the PPT with Rosina ma'am. She can share it with everyone. Think of so that's a small checklist of yes and no. कितने लोग सोचते हैं कि भाई मेरे पास्ट में क्या खो दिया. अच्छा, ये तो बहुत सारे मिलेंगे आपको ऐसे दोस्त, या आप खुद भी ऐसा होगा, ये तो होने ही वाला था, कुछ भी खराब होता है मुझे तो पता ही था. आप कुछ आइडिया अच्छा शेयर करते हो, वो बोले अरे रुक ये तो ऐसे ही होने वाला है, और फिर वापस वैसे होता है तो बोलते मैंने तो बोला ही था. और कई बार हम लोग भी ये सोचते हैं ना, ये मेरे साथ तो ऐसा ही होता है. Am I right? अगर कुछ अच्छा हुआ तो अच्छी बात है, हो गया अपने आप, और कुछ बुरा हुआ तो मेरे साथ तो हमेशा ऐसा ही होता है. That is so common we think. या ये ही होने वाला है, हम लोग सोच के बैठते, क्यों? मेरा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस इतना बढ़िया है, वो हमेशा ऐसा ही बोलता है, यही होने वाला है. So these are all the checklists to ensure that you don't live in the past all the time. So those who are most of them in the yes, check it out and get into that no category. All right. Recognize the emotions. Yes, the past will leave a scar. वो scar को खाली एक experience की तरह use करो, but don't go much into past. But these all things should be out of it. मुझे तो पता ही था syndrome, यही होने वाला है syndrome, ये मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है, मैंने तो बोला ही था, ऐसे लोगों से दूर रहो. There is another nice fifth point, controlling others. ये भी एक बहुत है. मैं तो उसकी मदद करने जा रहा था और वो मेरे पे बरस पड़ा. अरे भाई उसने मदद मांगी. Mental strength में don't try, because if you are not losing your self control, you should not be controlling others also. Avoid controlling others. Even helping others without without seeking their permission to help them. हाँ, वो अलग बात है कि कोई खड्डे में गिर गया है फिजिकली और आप उसको मदद मांग रहे, हेल्प करने जा रहे हो, that's a different thing. But even in the business field, go to help them if they are asking for help. Or you propose, and if they say yes, help them out. दूसरा thought process है, I am Miss Perfect, I am Mr. Perfect. मुझे तो सब कुछ परफेक्ट चाहिए. अगेंस्ट तो कोई कुछ गलत भी करता है ना, तो हम उसको भी ठीक करने जाते हैं. अरे भाई, दुनिया की जिम्मेदारी मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. आई एम नॉट द एटलास ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. मैं अपने कंधों पे पूरी दुनिया लेके नहीं चल रहा हूँ. मेरा काम मेरे काम के रिलेटेड है, मेरे स्टार्टअप के रिलेटेड है. I will be taking all these questions later on. Jay Kumar, you have raised your hand, but I'll take all the questions later on. These are just last 2 points are left. And then it is my responsibility to protect them. Your responsibility is limited to your work, to your circle, to your thing. Okay, when it comes to business or it comes to life, because हम लोग ये वो बोलते हैं ना, हमें अच्छा लगता है कोई हमारे बारे में अच्छा बोले कि ये बहुत सामने से सबको हेल्प करने जाती है. करो, मना नहीं करती हूँ, बट कभी किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया सामने से आपको, तो बी रेडी टू टेक दैट आल्सो, कि मैंने तो नहीं कहा था तो भी क्यों करने आया. Then don't feel down. Then still be on that mental state of mind. And last, never give up easily. कुछ लोग ऐसे, this is a checklist again, कि who can give up easily, कि अगर कोई high chance of success है वही चीज करते हैं. ये link your self worth with the ability to, अगर first trial पे success हो गया, उसके साथ मेरा, अगर मैं first trial पे successful नहीं रहा तो मैं एक loser हूँ. Okay, वो syndrome आपका ज्यादा है. Okay, या मैं फटाफट चीजें करता हूँ without going into details. And I fear of taking calculated risk. Fear of taking risk is one thing, and fear of taking calculated risk is another thing. So calculated risk. Agar these are also checklist of never give up. So I would like to tell one thing very clearly, that the people who are mentally strong, and these 6 things really, apart from them, there are other things, but these are the very 6 general things. First, what is the first one? अरे चैट में जो फटाफट कुछ करेगा will get a gift voucher from Boho. So all 6 फटाफट लिख के चैट में जो डालेगा सबसे पहले. All 6 tips which I said, I'll just repeat very quickly. Don't type at that time. First is never lose self-control. Okay. Never lose self-control. Never indulge in self-pity. Never forget to express gratitude. Never live in the past. Never try to control others. If these are the things. अब साथ में all 6. And never give up easily. Now I'll just stop the share. All right. I'm talking about the 6 tips. We'll get a coffee with Gitika ma'am in Boho Homes. And we'll get a free session. And a small gift. See, कितना सारा motivation देना पड़ता है ना to get an answer.
मेरे को सब आते हैं.
Right, ma'am.
मेरे को सब याद है.
सब याद है तो फटाफट बोलो ना, मुझे तो एक मिल रहा है. I want all 6.
Student, you can unmute your mic and you can speak.
Okay. Never lose self-control, self-pity. Never forget to express gratitude. Living in the past, controlling others. Never give up. Yes, Jemish is the one. Can I see the face of Jemish? You can start the You can raise your hand. क्योंकि tomorrow someone else should not come to go home saying मैं Jemish हूँ. You can raise your hand, Jemish, and you can start. So important is we live in our, this is our permanent address. This, you need to build up this permanent address. और ये छोटा बड़ा आपके mindset के हिसाब से होगा. आप उसको बड़ा बनाना चाहोगे तो वो बहुत लिमिटलेस हो जाएगा, और आप उसको लिमिटेड करना चाहोगे तो उसका लिमिटेशन हो जाएगा. All right, any questions, students? Any questions? I think I've covered everything that I had planned. But any questions? There were some few questions.
Now students can ask questions if they have.
I think I'm going as
We
per
have
my time.
5 to 10 minutes more spend. Yes,
If-
ma'am.
Yes, Yogesh Singh, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Yogesh.
Yogesh, you can unmute. Yogesh,
Yes, ma'am.
you can answer. I'll try my best to answer your question or your query. or
Ma'am,
your
you
doubt.
mentioned that
Your voice is not very clear.
the design that I did.
Yogesh, I can't hear you.
Don't have desire to a better.
I'm sorry, Yogesh,
Hello.
आपकी आवाज टूट रही है. I can't hear you.
Hello. Hello.
Yogesh, text it.
Yes, ma'am.
Jemish ने तो
Text your
celebrating नहीं
question.
किया. Jemish with the mask, okay. You remove the mask so I can see your face. You did not celebrate your winning. Come on, guys. Mental strength is a celebration. Also, if you do something good, you should pat your back. मुंह क्यों छुपाना? All right. That's nice. Now I can see him. I'm taking a screenshot. I'm taking a mobile click so that I know who is the person. That's better. You wear the same t-shirt, huh, Jenish? Otherwise, I'll not remember you. Oh, no. Done. Yes, someone was asking me, but I'm sorry I couldn't hear your question well, Yogesh. Can you just repeat? Okay, you mentioned that you should not always have "I deserve better" syndrome, ma'am. Then why we say you get what you deserve? All right, deserving is not about it. Is what I'm talking about is I deserve better syndrome. मतलब क्या योगेश? इसका मतलब ये है कि कल उठ के मुझे जो मिला है उसमें मुझे सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं है. मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि नहीं, मुझे इससे बेटर मिलना चाहिए था. ठीक है? The question is, ये जवाब में इसका I deserve better syndrome is हर बार इंसान सल्क करता रहता है, हमेशा सल्क. जो मिला उसमें कभी खुश नहीं है. जिस घर में पैदा हुआ उसमें खुश नहीं है, जो माँ बाप मिले उसमें खुश नहीं है, जो भाई बहन मिले उसमें खुश नहीं है, जिस स्कूल में पढ़ा उसमें खुश नहीं है, जो टीचर्स मिले उसमें खुश नहीं है, जो कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिला उसमें खुश नहीं है, जो रिजल्ट आया उसमें खुश नहीं है. That kind of person is the one who says I deserve better all the time. Question is, yes, you deserve better, but that doesn't mean what you have you be unhappy in it. You deserve, everyone deserves the best in the whole world. But question is, you don't deserve to be unhappy in what you have at present. It's a very nice thing you've asked. So I hope I'm trying to make you understand what does I mean when I deserve better syndrome. हर बार जो मिला उसमें सल्क नहीं, आप उसको एक मिरर की तरह देखो कि मुझे क्या बेटर मैं कर सकता हूँ, उसको मैं उस दिशा में आगे जाऊं. बट अगर मैं हर चीज से सल्क करूं तो that's called I deserve better syndrome में. Positive attitude, yes, we can say that with positive attitude, but ये कई बार क्या होता है, I can say काफी लोगों को लगता है positive attitude मतलब क्या. And I was very surprised to get messages, almost 90% messages, Gitika, we love you because I was busy whole day taking care of some events plus the entire answering all the messages. Still many are left on the Facebook also to answer. And most of them said, you have a very positive outlook towards life. And I said, okay, good. If because you see that in me, it's not that I say it's a positive attitude. That's what I am. So positive outlook की जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो अपने में खुश रहना, living in the present and planning for the future. Okay, planning for the future. अब मेरे साथ अच्छा ही होगा, future में ही मैं जी वो भी सही नहीं है. Living in the present, looking at the future, enjoying the present, learning from the past is a good positive attitude. Upgrade ourselves. Right. Any other question? Any other question?
Yeah, one more question. Sometimes. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, sometimes we know result even before that things happen. So I'm saying that मुझे पता है ये होने वाला है.
ये होने वाला है.
Yes, so madam, एक student पूछ रहा है गुप्ता रवि, this is a good habit or a bad habit?
Never be okay. कभी once in a while coincidences हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. बट हर बार अगर हम ये सोचे कि मुझे पता ही था ऐसा ही होने वाला है, तो इट बिकम्स लाइक दैट स्मॉल, इट्स लाइक एन ऑब्स्टेकल. हम कुछ अच्छा कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क लेना भी चाहते तो भी हम कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क नहीं ले पाते, क्योंकि मुझे तो पता ही था कि ये ऐसा होने वाला है, तो मैं नहीं पहले से ऐसा नहीं करूं. एंड हु नोज, ये तो हमारे माइंड में है कि मुझे तो पता ही था ऐसा होने वाला है, ये तो मेरे दिमाग में है. जरूरी नहीं है कि ऐसा ही होने वाला है, और ऐसा हो भी गया तो that doesn't mean it was designed like that. Are you getting my point? The thought, if does not allow you to do something adventurous, then it's a bad habit. But a thought कि मुझे पता ही है ऐसा होने वाला है, even I am called as a काली ज़बान, कि तू बोल देती है पहले से क्या होने वाला है. But that is, I call it as my sixth vision, कि भाई sixth sense, कि भाई सब कुछ नजर रखे. My micro observation of the people faces, my micro observation of what people are doing, and then I can say ये ऐसे ही behave करेगा. So I have to see that the person behaves in the way I want that person to behave. अगर मैं चाहती हूँ इससे ये काम निकलवाऊं, तो मैं अपना behavior, मुझे पता है ये ऐसे ही behave करेगा, तो मैं उसका behavior change करने पे work करूँ. So तब ये काम का है. मुझे पता है ऐसा ही होने वाला था, syndrome is useful. तो मुझे पता है ये ऐसे ही बिहेव करता है, मुझे पता है मैं ऐसे करूंगा तो यही होगा, तो आई डू इट इन अ वे द रिजल्ट आई वांट. इन दैट केस यस, मुझे पता है ऐसा इज अ गुड हैबिट. लाइक ईटिंग अ पेस्ट्री ऑन अ बर्थडे इज गुड, बट ईटिंग अ पेस्ट्री आफ्टर अ फिजिकल वर्कआउट इज बैड. यस, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
मैम एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ जी.
Every year we are having approximately 130 or 140 students in my department. Okay. And out of that 80 to 90% students, they want to be a salaried people. They do not want to go for business or want to be an entrepreneur.
Okay. See, understand, want to get into a salary, I mean into a job.
And another yes, another thing is in the today's economy is very slow down. They are, or even they are getting a job, they are not getting a proper job which is suitable to them. So why students are not thinking to be an entrepreneur or even for a small kind of business?
I understood.
Even when we are asking them for a SSIP, yes.
I understood.
So it's
your
very difficult for us.
See, I tell you one thing very clearly. Getting into these, I don't believe in these two things, that business and salary job. Very frankly, I'm doing a job someplace, and I have a business in your definition. If you want to tell, if you want to say, for example, when I said I head Varmora Center for Excellence, means I am employed by Varmora, but very clearly I am very clear in my mind that I am the owner of Center for Excellence because I head the Center for Excellence. Are you getting me? So there okay. I am an entrepreneur of Center, the owner, the founder of Center for Excellence. So if you see my resume, I've mentioned she loves creation and she has created a center for excellence for Varmora Group. So she is heading Varmora Center for Excellence. Though every month the salary comes in my bank account, but I am the owner. I don't behave as a salary person. All right. Similarly, when I say I'm a director of CASA Group, I am a partner, co-founder of Boho Homes. That doesn't mean I'm the boss of Boho Homes. I'm the CASA Group boss. I am actually the first employee of CASA Group. Today, in this COVID time, I gave salaries to all my employees. I did not take salary. Are you getting my point? I did not. I did not say, okay, fine, we cut down on our cost. I said, no, nothing doing. Next 6 months, Gatika, whatever you had thought, till everyone is normal, you are not, you manage because you have something with you. These guys don't have that also. So this mindset is, so being into salary and being into business, you can still be an owner of your KRA. You can be an owner. That's an accountability of your KRA. And when you are accountable, you are already a business person. You are already a owner. Okay, idea. You are an owner of an idea. So even in an organization, if you have an idea, you can start something. So there is a called entrepreneurship. I always tell everyone, you are an entrepreneur in an organization. The moment it's a mindset, again, playing here, whether you are a salaried person or not. If any person who has got a, आज पहली कोई भी opportunity अच्छी मिल गई. For example, when I started working, I got in one school, a organization where I wanted to work. Fine, but I did not say, okay, I wanted to work at this level only. I started with this level, but I know I will reach this level immediately because I have this mindset to reach that level. And the person who is at this level, there are certain many people in my organization who are from 25 years still at that level because they don't have mindset to reach this level at all. All right. So it's and there is one question by again that how much does willpower plays? 100%. You have to be very strong mentally. Nothing should stop you. I tell you, I've learned from my own experiences. I have allowed people to change my directions, and the moment what I used to feel, I was in that bechara syndrome. इसने ऐसा किया इसलिए मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ, उसने ऐसा किया इसलिए मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. The moment I said no, I gave them permission to behave like that with me. The moment I don't give permission to behave with me, the power to give permission, the control to give that control of my life is in my hand. I have to take that control back to me. If something goes right, it is me. If something goes wrong, it is me. I will ask help. It's not that I will not ask help. I will take calculated risk. I'll do everything that is required. But finally, it is me who is accountable for my success, for the family of my success of my family. But again, family member success is not dependent on me. Tomorrow, if my son needs something, if he doesn't ask for help, I can't provide him help. I can't go on my way and saying, okay, beta, mujhe tujhe help deni hai. No, nothing like that. If he says, Mama, I need your help, I have to give him help. Otherwise, I can't go out of my way to help him out. Are you getting my point? Why we control anger? Because I lost so many things in past. I didn't get it. That question 973. Why we control anger? Because I lost so many things in past.
So I think because of anger, he is telling that I have lost
things in the past.
Yes. So why we need to control?
That is the question has an answer. You have lost so many things in the past because of anger. Control it. If you want those things in your life, again, keep in mind what kind of people you have in your life. That's very important. Don't give control to the people whom you don't want them to be on. If you see one of my video, which is now been for KK Jewels, when they selected me as one of the so in that video, I mentioned that my success is not what I'm doing at present, but my success is when I die and I look back at my life and if I'm able to smile. And if I see the people whom I love most are there beside me, is my success. So I have to decide who are going to be there in my life till my deathbed. I will do everything.
Ma'am, actually he
How we
wants
control
to
anger.
ask that how we can how we
we
can
control.
control anger.
Okay, एंगर मैनेजमेंट इज अगेन अ वेरी, मतलब लोग तो उसमें बहुत सारे सेशंस ले लेते हैं. मैं एक छोटी सी टिप आपको बताती हूँ. आपको बड़े सेशंस लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need to cool, calm yourself, and you need to start thinking today when you sleep that किस किस पॉइंट पे आपको गुस्सा आया लाइफ में, कौन कौन से किस किस फेज में आपको गुस्सा आया, या उसमें आपको दो ही चीज नोट करनी है. एक ये कि किस इंसान के बिहेवियर, डोंट टॉक अबाउट द पर्सन कि पापा मुझे गुस्सा दिलाते हैं या XYZ ही फ्रेंड मुझे गुस्सा दिलाता है. पापा का कौन सा क्वेश्चन मुझे गुस्सा दिलाता है, पापा का कौन सा कंसर्न मुझे गुस्सा दिलाता है, पापा का किस तरह का एक्सप्रेशन मुझे गुस्सा दिलाता है, वो चीज. सो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज सिचुएशन, एक्सप्रेशन एंड पर्सन. ओके, किस वक्त मुझे गुस्सा आता है. देखो हर कोई हर वक्त गुस्सा नहीं करता है. कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स आते हैं, स्टिमुलस होता है, गुस्से का एक स्टिमुलस होता है. यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई योर ओन स्टिमुलस. The moment, and that stimulus always comes before the expression of the anger. The stimulus always comes before the expression of the anger. Okay, जैसे रेड लाइट है ना, ट्रैफिक लाइट आपके गाड़ी चला उसके आगे आपको दिखती है, उसमें रेड लाइट आपको पहले दिखती है और आप रुक जाते हो. वैसे ही एंगर का स्टिमुलस अगर आपको दिखता है कि भी ऐसी ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैं गुस्सा होता हूं, उस वक्त अपने आप को थोड़ा सा डीप ब्रेथ ले लो और उस वक्त चुप हो जाओ. And then you understand the whole situation. Understand the stimulus which provocates you to get angry and identify that. That's the only thing I can tell. मुझे पता है कि मैं किस बात पे गुस्सा होती हूँ, मैं कब गुस्सा होती हूँ. अगर व्हाट्सएप पे गुस्सा निकलता है, सोशल मीडिया पे निकलता है, तो उस वक्त जवाब मत दो. उसी चीज का देख के तुरंत चैट में तुरंत जवाब मत दो. Take some time to answer. और अगर so that's important, अगर सामने वाला गुस्सा होता है तो तुरंत जवाब मत दो. जवाब दो, मैं मना नहीं करती. अगर सामने आपके सामने कोई गुस्सा और अपना गुस्सा निकाल रहा है और आपको लग रहा है कि ये रीजन है मैं गुस्सा हो जाता हूँ, तो जवाब तो देना है, पर तुरंत नहीं सामने सामने देना है. डोंट गेट इनटू आर्ग्यूमेंट. That's the point. So keep this in mind. Identify your own stimulus which provocates you to get angry. All right, and then after identification, try to after you identify it, you try to see it in your life. कब कभी आपको दिखते हैं, उस वक्त आप अपने आप को थोड़ा सेल्फ कंट्रोल करना जरूरी है. धीरे धीरे हो जाता है. इट्स अ माइंड जिम. धीरे धीरे एक दिन जिम में जाकर एब्स नहीं आ जाते, बट ये माइंड जिम में एवरी टाइम यू डू सच काइंड ऑफ मेंटल एक्सरसाइजेस, आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट विल गिव यू द रिजल्ट्स. Anything else?
Okay, any more questions now? Okay, so now okay, on behalf of VGC again, madam, thank you so much.
I want a feedback
for sparing your value.
I want a feedback, guys. I hope it was useful. We started almost 1 hour and 10-15 minutes, 10 minutes. I think we started at 4:10, 4:50, and it is 17:25 now, 5:25. See, I told you should pat your back whenever you do something. So always wait for, and a very important aspect in business for startup planning is be open to feedback. Don't respond back to the feedback. Don't try to justify.
Yogesh is asking, can we have more session?
I will plan it out, Yogesh. Yes, we'll plan it out. There are 1 or 2 asked me about my personal help. I will do that once things are better. You can come to Go Homes, take my time. You can take my connect. You can always coordinate with your Rosina ma'am, and you can come to Boho Homes on SP Ring Road. It's a nice store. So Rosina ma'am can coordinate, and then I can give you 45 minutes Once the things open up, you can come, we can sit here, we can have social distancing. And Jamish, you should be wearing mask there also.
Okay, ma'am.
And we can have that 1:1 because in my private, couple of you asked for 1-to-1 session. So we can have 1-to-1 at that time. Thank you so much. And further sessions, we can think about it.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you so much.
You have given, because I know that how busy you are, madam. You know, I think 6 to 7 months I want to plan your session for our women development cell, but unfortunately it cannot be executed.
Thanks to
So
Corona.
please assure me that you definitely visit VGEC again. Sir is there as a principal, so again he is also very happy to VGEC campus.
Thank you. We'll do that. We'll do that. Thank you so much. And should I end the meeting now?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all the participants. Ma'am, these all are my first year students.
Lovely. All the best students. You are younger than my son in that case. He is in second year of college now. Okay. Shall I end the meeting? Rosina ma'am, with your consent, shall I end the meeting?